Hello everyone, it's Giselle from Kids Yoga Stories. In this video, I'd like to show you what's inside the Mindful Teacher Pack to see if it's a good fit for you. So the purpose of this pack, you're wondering, we've been hearing from a lot of our community, a lot of our teachers who are having these big feelings of stress, frustration, exhaustion. Teachers are often overworked, overwhelmed, underpaid. And so we created these products to help bring a sense of peace and calm to your lives. So once you've purchased this Mindful Teachers Pack, you would get a download from us from the shop. This is just an example from the Easy Meditations for Grownups. You'd click on the download now, and it would come up and say save the file. So you'd save the file right to your computer. This is a zip file, so it would say save the file. We don't recommend you saving the file to a smartphone like an Android or an iPhone because it's hard to know where the files are stored. So go ahead and save to your laptop or your computer. You'll get a zip file like this and you'll extract all files, so you should have these 5 in there. Let's have a look what's inside here. First, you've got some information and a disclaimer. So just some information here about downloading help, printing help. You've got our terms of use, what you can do, what you can't do, and some further information of how to contact us. Okay, let's go and see what's in here. So let's start from the top, Easy Meditation for Grownups. I created these last year for someone close to me who was going through a rough time. The both of us went through these meditations together. So if you're someone who says, I'd love to meditate, but I just don't know where to start, we have some breathing techniques, some mantras, and some focus questions. So these could be something that you just do throughout the day. You could create a ritual where you're sitting silently in the morning or midday or evening even, however that works for you. But it's the intention here is you can print these two to a page if you like, and you could just use them as cards also and just pick one or flip to a page and see which one would inspire you. Or you might just get stuck on one. You might just do one for count to 10, for example, for a week or a month or a year, whatever. So do whatever works for you. These are used as an inspiration to get you meditating. Well, I have to think about how do I meditate. The next one, monthly yoga challenges. This is for those of us who love those. Every month, give ourselves that challenge. Again, it's that kind of thing like, I wish I was meditating. I wish I was practicing yoga, but how do we get started? So this one, you've got one for each month of the year. And if you do 1 month and you want to take another month off, do that. Do whatever works for you. You've got a lot of flexibility here. Okay, there's one for each month, and it goes through all the different practices of yoga. Next one, the positive affirmation cards. These are on a 3x5 cards. So if you want to go to your local printer and ask them to do 4 per page, or you can do this at home as well. And this will give you an ideas here about how to use them. When do you use a positive affirmation cards? So it's really about changing those negative thoughts to the opposite, thinking positive, really having these positive messages going through your mind all the time. You can have these as a card that you pull out in the morning, put on your desk for the day, put in your pocket. You've got some ideas, talk to your loved one, repeat the statement in your mind as you go through meditation practice. Lots of different ways how you can integrate these easily into your life. And also some tips as well. And here's some more printing information. And then you've got the list of the 4 different categories you have here, 5 different categories you have here, and then we split them up. So these are all positivity. Again, you can see all the different positivity affirmations. You can put it on your desk, whatever works for you. And the last one here is restorative yoga cards. So I practiced only restorative yoga for 6 months last year to calm my own nervous system. I was going through some personal things, and I can honestly say it really, really works. It's magic. So here are some, even if you practice just one, and I've suggested if you would like to get some props there, here's some tips. If you want to do a sequence, if you'd like to just do one at a time, even if you come back from work, or even if you start the day in one or a handful of these poses, you've got all the descriptions there. Again, you could just pull a card. These are also 3x5s to make it easy. Okay, and you've got all of those there. Okay, so this is all in the spirit of helping you reach your mindfulness, bring yourself into the present moment to bring you peace and calm, to take a moment to yourself, to reboot, to rejuvenate. I really, truly hope that this adds a little magic to your life. If you have any questions, please reach out to Giselle at kidsyogastories.com. We are definitely all in this together. Thank you so much.